Stream effortlessly. Bluetooth speaker connects with Amazon Echo Dot for voice control. Ask Alexa to play music from Amazon Music, Spotify, Pandora, iHeartRadio, TuneIn and SiriusXM. Easy setup. Install into standard E26 light sockets or fixtures, download the iOS Android app and set up. Suitable for 5 to 6 inch recessed can lighting, socket extender required for 4 inch. High fidelity sound, 13 watt, at 8 ohms, loudspeakers perform as left-right stereo pair. App controlled. Stream audio, adjust the volume and set light brightness from your iOS or Android device. Whole home music. Link up to 8, master and 7 satellites, bulbs for sound everywhere. Bulbs work best up to 100 feet apart. Top reviews from the United States. Great lights with decent speakers. I was skeptical of the price when I purchased these, but I wanted an integrated solution without having to build an outdoor sound system at this time. I have 2 recessed lights on my porch and I put these in. They are equal in brightness to the bulbs I removed. The speakers are just okay. They play music but there is very little bass to them, which was a little disappointing, but expected for the design size. Overall, they have lasted outside for a year-ish and play music loud enough to hear over a gathering of people, so I am happy.